Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income, and Fezamarket is a game-changing platform for affiliates in 2025. The potential to earn $250,000 or more is real, but only if you know how to make the most of it. Fezamarket offers a vast range of high-demand products, competitive pricing, and global reach. You can promote items to almost any niche and earn up to 30% commission on every sale. Join Fezamarket's affiliate program for free at www.fezamarket.com and get all the tools to start earning. Choose a niche that matches your interests, has high-demand products, and appeals to a target audience. To reach $250,000, you need a solid promotional strategy. Here's how to do it. Leverage social media, build a blog, use email marketing, and invest in paid ads. Optimize for conversions by writing compelling descriptions, using quality images, and including testimonials. Once you start seeing results, reinvest a portion of your earnings to expand your reach. Many Fezamarket affiliates are earning between $5,000 to $50,000 plus per month, achieving the $250,000 mark within a year. Earning $250,000 with Fezamarket's affiliate program requires action. Start today. Create your account at www.fezamarket.com and start your journey to financial success.